Let's see if she can do it. You think you can do it?
Of course.
I don't. Alright, here you go. Let's see. Oh, she's looking at it. She's thinking.
Oh.
She's already getting worried. How do I open this? Actually, I'll give you a hint. Sometimes you can shake it, and you can, because some of them have magnets and stuff.
What doesn't?
Is there nothing?
Ooh, this is...
Is it rattling? No. She's thinking. Oh. You got something. What is that? Don't. Hey, these are fragile, by the way. Don't break it. Some poor Japanese guy spent an entire month carving.
Oh, I forgot to make an edge.
I feel like you're gonna break something. Well, what was that first move? What is that thing?
This thing.
What, it just slid?
That's it.
Something else will slide? You have to be smarter than the wood. Nothing's rattling in there?
It's a trick.
Wait, look for seams. Yeah, because that first one that you moved, a lot of times there's like steps, alright? So that's the hint I'll give you.
These corners, it has to be the corner. This thing gets, this is what is being pulled out. I mean, I know this thing can move, but how?
Do you think your first graders could do this?
Yes.
Then why can't you?
Do you know the answer? Where's the cheat sheet?
No, you don't get the cheat sheet. You gotta figure this out.
It doesn't move anymore. I don't see anything else. Can we? I need a cheat sheet. I can't. This is so stressful. No, this is not. Yeah.
Oh wait.
Huh? What? Huh? Get out of here!
What was that?
It's another step.
Oh, it went further? Okay.
Oh!
Don't break it. Don't break it.
Okay.
Is it breaking?
No. It's coming.
Nothing. You can't hear anything rattling? Oh, that's the lid. Keep working at it. I think you're almost there. I think you're almost there. That could go in, but not all the way, right? A little piece? Yeah, no, go the other way. Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah. Stop. I hope it's... Stop.
Are you okay? What's inside there?
And you give me all of you. I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी। कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरे लिए ही जिया मैं खुद को, जो यूं दे दिया है तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला। तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम